What's going on, everybody? This your boy Vlad coming with a quick video, or maybe a long video. So scanning the markets and found the play. I'm not a financial advisor, so anything that I talk about is not financial advice. So it's just me giving you my opinion. So please do not take this as financial advice. You should seek a professional. I'm clearly not. So getting that out the way, a breakout play that I found here is KATX. Currently, it's morning, so I typically don't like morning breakout, but this stock been it's been stopping at the roughly the 0.0023, 0.0024. So I believe if it could break past that, then you should see, this start to go up. I played this stock on, what was it? Was it Wednesday, Tuesday? Wait, today's Wednesday, Monday. So I bought it right here, sold again way too soon. As you can see, it is breaking out again. USMJ. I was looking to buy it here, but I don't think I even traded it, but another breakout. The bottom is the 1-year chart, so the one that I'm really pissed off at is PROP. Try buying it in the afternoon on Monday, because I saw that it was breaking out with some good volume. It was just pretty much the ideal play, and couldn't execute my order since the market closed early. Last minute, my order got rejected for some reason. So I pretty much missed this gap up. So now it's at 5 cents. I could have got in at, because my first initial order was at 0.028. I was trying to buy some shares there, but it got rejected. Things happen. So those are my plays, the breakout plays. My bread and butter. Matter of fact, let me just label it as that. Put potential. Oops, can't even spell. Potential break out. All right. So on here, there's a lot of buyers that's coming into the game. So the ask is starting to thin out. So you have 10 million buyers, shares that want to be bought out of 2 million. So really, that's not that much. But I'm really pissed off at these two. USMJ, missed the buy, as well as the PROP. Missed the buy on that as well. But here to try to be better, make better trades. So I periodically just go into my scanner just to see what is going on in the markets for any potential play for end of the day. CBIS, I think that is falling from grace. No, that's not the one. CBIS. KLY, same thing. I have this on my radar as well. So I put my mark here. So if this could somehow, towards the end of the day, come and pass this level and finish above the 3, close to 4 cents mark, I will be buying that and holding overnight. That is a big ask. I mean, it could, but who knows? BRYN, same thing for that. It's just thing I don't like about BRYN, it does not have any volume, and the spread, it's, oh my god, night and day different. But this could run up though, you know, if some volume start to come in and it passed the 7 cents mark, 7.0715, then this could literally rip all the way to maybe 20 cents. Even looking at the 5-year chart. So it's, the breakout was at the 6 mark. It's been over the 6 mark and it's just been chopping back and forth. But I believe that could go. Oh, look at KATX. All right, KATX. Now some volume starting to come in. There we go. Let's see, where is KATX gonna land to? I didn't even check the volume just to see if the volume was working on here as far as my speaker volume. Well, let me just want to verify. What? That was another video. What? That was another video. All right. My volume's good. Oh, look at that. Let's see if more people are coming in. So one thing about breakouts, you definitely gotta learn patience. It normally take hours, you know, for a stock to break up and you wait on it just to get that run. Can't believe I sold this so soon though, with this breakout. See, that's what I meant by patient. I wasn't patient. I saw profit and I was like, all right, bet. Let's go ahead and get these profit. You know, you don't go broke taking a profit, but you definitely do want to try to maximize as much as you can on your gains. You know, let the gains run. KATX again. This is definitely gonna be a while. So one thing that I try to do, try to pass the time during this around this time. I try to play video games. So I play NBA Live, not live, but NBA 2K. As I just try to be as patient as possible, you know. Or I'll sit there watch a movie. But I do look at the screen, like back and forth looking at the screen. So this way it helps me be patient, because right now I can just go ahead and exit out the trade and just get a profit. But with breakouts, I mean, I tend to only get about 10% of the move, 15, 20, and the stock could rip up like 80, 90%. You know, that's really nothing. I'm missing out the majority, the meat of the move, you know. So I'm trying to make myself be more patient in situations like this. So it's a breakout. So it's holding. It just, how far can it go? I mean, sometimes you could get 15, you could have like 30-40% mover. You know, with PJet, when that broke out, this joint did 100% mover, you know. So it went from 0.0028 all the way up to 0.0066. So it could be done. You're just having the patience to hold through throughout that whole run up. Some of my trades, you know, I would hope somehow I fall into, just a few hour coma or a day coma and just wake up and just be able to finish trading, because like then I'll be up like a huge amount. I actually just popped in the video game, so and I tend to do check the volume to see how much is it being traded at as well right now. Right now it's at 21 million. Normal day for it. So that just let me know it has more room to go, because like with all the other days, it's like 82 million, 186 million, 141 million, 78, 44, 53, 139. So right now it's only at 21 million. So not a lot of people are trading it right now. So that just lets me know it has a potential, to go up further. This I'm contemplating to go back in it. This is considered like day 2 of the run. This look like profit takers, because it already traded more shares than this day prior, and 500 and something shares it almost doubled it, the amount from that. So how I would view that is the people who are buying in here, here, are just taking their profits. So it's almost like a rotation. So with that being said, I will be getting into this if it could hold off, because I'm currently watching this. I don't want to be in multiple positions all at the same time. At least I try to avoid it. But that is definitely a good sign for USMJ for that reason there. The RYN. So far today, only 520 shares. It's not a lot. Not a lot. It is very tempting. Look at all these. It is very, very tempting. But let me stay focused. It looks like some people are buying at the 0.0025. Look at the 5-year chart of it. Not really much there. This is just a 5-year look at it. It's not a lot of volume for these days that it traded. So the most volume, 13 minutes, that's not a lot for it. So these wouldn't even be considered resistance. Resistance is really where you would find like heavy volume. The heaviest volume that it had was 32 million. So if I have to get stopped out, right now at 0.00, it's 0.004 because of heavy volume, I wouldn't mind. I would be so happy. So it's always good to look at multiple time frames. 13 million in volumes, that's not a lot. So this, I'm trying to hold it overnight. So that's the ultimate goal for me. Hold this overnight. Wait for a morning gap up, because not always, because this is not exact science. So it's not exact science, but typically more time out of 10, when a stock is breaking out, it tend to have a gap up because of some people don't see this stock yet. They don't see it, and they probably see it like the morning, the night of. So that creates more buying pressure, which would cause the stock to go up because more people are trying to get in it. So it's almost like supply and demand. The more the demand, and the less of a supply, you do start to see the prices start to go up. So with that being said, for the ones that are buying, they cause a secondary push. So it normally causes a gap up. In most cases, a gap up, then you would see a push in the morning, like people just trying to buy it, which would cause the stock to go exponential, or how people call it, parabolic or supernova, however you wanna call it. So the biggest hurdle is the patient game, being patient, because it could very well, the next morning gap up, then just crap, and just people just start selling. So it's definitely a waiting game. Man, USJM, that was a perfect time to enter. Just in the background, just playing the game, guys. That's all. Oh, something just hit my price range. Which one was it? Oh, there it goes. There it goes. DKSC already broke out. Now look like it's ready for a secondary push. Keep my eyes on it on the background. Ooh-wee. Look how this thing is stacking. And look how this is running. As you can see, this really has a lot of range. Got a breakout right here. What type of company this is. A lot of time I don't know anything about the company. I just trade the ticker. Because majority of these companies, they're crap. They have no real product or no revenue, etc., etc. But I definitely like playing the price action, how the stock is moving, with the probability and all that. So let me drop this down. It's already there. Drop this down. Put these two together. I actually would like to see this stay below it. Just consolidate there. Then towards the afternoon, just have a rip up. Check out my scanners. Sorry guys, I'm playing the game at the same time. Played this a week ago, so it look like it's ready for a second run up. That's the mailman, guys. I had ordered a new phone because my phone was acting up. So I am going to be quiet for a little bit as I go check the mail just to see if my phone has arrived. In the meantime, this is actually starting to go up. Put on my jacket real quick. As I run out, I'll be back. Nothing, no mail. Well, no phone, I should say. And these stocks are are moving today. KOSK. Oh no. PASCO. Oh my God, this is at 7 cents. Wow. I am truly pissed. Truly pissed. I tried to buy this. Oh my God, I tried to buy it here. Right around, well, actually here. I know I probably wouldn't have held all the way to the 7s, but I sure would have gone. Oh my God. Yep. Sometimes it happens like that. You miss trades. You miss trade. BPMX. BPMX. Nope. Gotta check this RETC. Yeah, I did. TTCU. XX. Okay. So far, 24 million. I'll be back, guys.